Hello everyone and welcome to Zaki Educational channel. Now it's time to reveal the name of the winners. Yes, the quiz contest which was conducted on 18th of May 2020 is now going to reveal the name of its winner. So before revealing the name, let's discuss the questions first. So the first question was, which of the following is not a characteristic of a population? So here we can see in the options, the correct option will be stratification. That is, it is not a characteristic of a population. Here the sex ratio, the natality and the mortality are the characteristics of a population. So let's see the second question. The second question was, decomposers who specifically feed on the fecal matter of other organisms are called as, so those who eat the fecal matter of other organisms are called as coprophagic organisms. So they are coprophagous in nature. Next, move on to the third question. The third question was, which of the following is not an air pollutant? So here we can see the smoke is an air pollutant, carbon dioxide is air pollutant, sulfur dioxide is also an air pollutant. But nitrogen gas itself is not air pollutant because nitrogen gas, you should know, its normal temperature is around minus 210 degrees Celsius, and when it has the nature of nitrogen oxide, that is NO2 or N2O or NO3, then it is considered as the pollutant in air. So nitrogen gas itself is not an air pollutant. Next, move on to the fourth question. The fourth question was, which of the following is an example of K-selected species? So I will make one video related to K and R selected species in the coming lessons, but here the correct option will be option number B. So humans are considered as K-selected species, whereas Aspergillus, grass and Taraxacum are R-selected species. So let's see what was the fifth question. The fifth question was, which decade is designated as the decade of biodiversity by the United Nations? So here, correct option will be option number C. 2011 to 2020 was considered as the decade of biodiversity by United Nations. Next, moving on to the sixth question. In the sixth question, it had asked that pick the odd one out. So here the name of the cycles were given, that is biogeochemical cycle, and among the following four, the odd one will be phosphorus cycle. Yes, because this phosphorus cycle is unique as it doesn't have that gaseous phase. So here we can see here, because it doesn't have the gaseous phase in its cycle, so it is different from the nitrogen, carbon and oxygen cycle, those who are having their gaseous phase in their chemical cycle. Next we will see what was the seventh question. So the seventh question was a bit tricky as well as a bit conceptual. So we should lower the volume of the music. So the thing is, here the options were very close and many people were confused, many students were confused while giving the answers. So here the correct option will be only option number A. Yes, because biodiversity means, first of all, the biodiversity, if we break the words, bios, that is bios means life. So here the variety of plant and animal, those constitute the life in the world, are together called as biodiversity, and high level of which, that means high level of biodiversity means important and desirable for any ecosystem or any place. But here in case of the second option, we can see here it was mentioned it encompasses all the interaction of all living species. So interaction से हमें क्या मिलता है? So interaction is giving us a hint that it is telling about ecosystem and ecology. Yes, the interaction of all living species is called as ecosystem. So it is not biodiversity. A bit of a very narrow range of difference was there in both the statements, and the correct statement will be option number A. So if you're still having a doubt, you can search in the Google, you can get the answer like this. Check it yourself. Next is question number 8. So this was very simple question. We have to answer where this Kanha National Park is located at. So the correct option among the four will be option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Next, move on to the ninth question. The ninth question was the ability of a population of living species to increase under ideal environmental condition is called as. So here, this characteristic or this phenomenon is called as biotic potential. So it is very important to know this terminology, that is called as biotic potential. Next, move on to the 10th question. The 10th question was species with wide geographical ranges which develop locally adapted population are known as. So here there were options given. Among the four options, the correct type will be option number A, ecotypes. So here the correct option will be ecotype, because the species those who are living in wide geographical ranges and they adapt to the local population are known as ecotypes or ecospecies. So that's all for the discussion part of the quiz which happened yesterday on 18th of May 2020. Now it's time to reveal the name of the winner. And the winner is Miss Oli Bora. So congratulations to Oli Bora for securing 10 out of 10, and along with Oli Bora, Srishti has also done well by securing 10 out of 10 marks in the quiz. Similarly, Dinesh Panda, Tejaswini Singh, Falguni Mahanti, Chanchal Kumari and Sabnam Kamboj have done well and have secured 9 out of 10 correct questions answered. Similarly, Sudesh Saharan has also done well in the quiz by securing 8 out of 10 marks. So I would like to thank and congratulate all the participants. So if you like this concept and you want to know about environmental science, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.